If you feel that you don't know yourself, if you feel that I have always taken care of people around me but I have always neglected myself, अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुमने सबका ध्यान रखा है पर खुद का ध्यान नहीं रखा है, इफ़ यू फील कि हाँ मैंने सबके बारे में सोचा, इट कैन बी योर फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, एनीबॉडी, कि मैंने सबके बारे में सोचा है पर मैंने खुद के बारे में इतना नहीं सोचा है, वेलकम टू माई चैनल, वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो. We are going to have a real deep talk. Hi, my name is Sukh. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I was a kid in the family who experienced a lot of panic and fights. And growing up, I always wanted peace, happiness, and I just always hoping that I don't witness any fights at home. And it always felt like walking on eggshells. And I felt that if I just do everything right, or I also felt that it's my responsibility to bring peace at home and that I can sort everything out. So I always put myself in that position to be responsible for everything, and I always thought that I can sort everything out and it's my responsibility to fix something that was actually never mine to fix. And obviously, no matter what I did, whatever I tried, I couldn't control anything, okay? So that fear stayed in me for years, okay? It stayed inside me for years, and I literally became scared of people. I became scared of talking to people, interacting with people, okay? Like even when I did go to school, so everywhere I did I would go anywhere and I would feel scared of people. And it was like I was scared that if I say anything wrong, what would be that person's reaction or response to me. Like it was like I just became scared of literally anything, of people, of interacting with them, everything, okay? So that fear stayed inside me for lots of years, and that's the thing. I did not even realize that how this fear shaped me until one day everything changed. I realized that I my whole life till now I always kept looking for peace in others when I needed to find it in myself, like within myself. And I asked myself, and why am I carrying the weight of something which was never mine to fix? Because we do these things, right? We it may be our family, like our parents, siblings, anybody, okay? We do these things, like we take on the responsibility that okay, I will fix this, I will fix them, I will fix their situation. This is my responsibility to sort, it's just my responsibility to sort everything out. We do these things, okay? But the thing is, I'm not talking about like financially, no, I am talking about emotionally. Emotionally, like we do these things that, right, like we just, we get in between the lessons the universe is giving to other people. We get in between those karmic things, and then we keep draining ourselves till, to the lowest vibrations, and then we think that मैंने क्या किया, लाइक वाई ये बुरा मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, या मैं इतना ड्रेन क्यों फील कर रहा हूँ, या वाई इज़ दिस हैपनिंग, बट वी डू दीज थिंग्स. जो हमें लगता है कि हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है टू फिक्स अदर पीपल. इवन आई नो, एंड इट्स ईजीएस्ट विद द फैमिली, बिकॉज वी थिंक या these are this is my family, right? Okay, it's fine. But it's not our responsibility to fix them. It's not our responsibility, because we actually cannot fix anybody until they want to fix themselves, right? So I did the same, and yeah, that's the thing. And I think people do that. We get emotional and we think that this is happening to them, I am responsible, I will bring peace and this and that. Okay, but in this process, the most, we hurt ourselves the most. We get drained and we neglect ourselves, our happiness, our joys. And sometimes, see, in I did not even realize that I was hurting myself. I was neglecting my happiness, joy, everything, okay? And because, and what it just become, it become, my inner child got hurt. I did not even realize that. I'm not making this video to get any sympathy, but it's just like I felt I'm making this with a hope to help people, or anybody watching this, any girl watching this, any boy watching this. They may feel that okay, this is kind of relatable, and it's fine. I can get through this, right? And yeah, it's about, you need to look out for yourself, okay? If nobody's trying to understand you, it's okay. Nobody has to, okay? But you have to understand yourself. You can't neglect yourself. You have to put yourself first, and it's very important. You have to put yourself first. And what I did, the mistake I did was, I was too busy to look out for others and to take care of others, and I neglected myself, my peace, my happiness, and I was too busy sorting things out. It was always like I had people around me physically, like, yeah, but emotionally I was alone. I learned to like let situations pass by laughing on them, like turning situations into, like, funny. And so yep, I learned over time that it's easier to get through situations by laughing on it and turning situations into a funny one, and rather than dealing with people and something. So I learned it that way. And yep, it's about, if that thing you're trying to fix, if it's realize that, is it mine to fix? Am I really responsible? Am I in the position of taking the responsibility? Realize, because I did not. And realize, do I need to fix this? Is it mine to fix? And because obviously when I was a kid, I didn't know about this everything, inner child and that mental health and everything. I didn't know about it. No, I don't think any kid knows. Now they may know, but I did not know about these things. Okay, once I detached with everything, once I let go of what I could not control, it was great. It was literally life changing. Once I let go of whatever I couldn't control, everything became more, I just stepped into my real energy. I became more joyful, more happy, because all I ever wanted from life was to, like, I always wanted to be happy. मुझे खुश रहना था हमेशा. Always wanted to be happy, wanted peace. Once I made that mindset shift, I started focusing on my dreams, my happiness, small moments of my life. I started to romanticize my life, okay? We don't need to focus on anything to become happy. Like, my motive was always to just be happy, okay? And I became happy when I detached myself with everything, because I realized that the burden was never mine to carry. So why carry? I felt that fear way too deep that I hit rock bottom and I became a person that I didn't like. And I hated and also feared panic, stress, okay? And yeah, because I grew up in those vibrations, okay? And it affected me. It affected my mental health, my happiness, joy, and it also made me lose some opportunities, okay? So if you are a kid who grew up in panic, fear, or basically if you had a dark childhood, okay, listen, you can turn your life into a beautiful one. I don't want you to think like you have people to blame. No, letting go also comes with forgiveness. So it's about focusing on yourself, not ignoring yourself. Okay. Also, it's just that fear breaks us, especially when we were kids, and we got through something we didn't deserve. And it's like if you had a dark childhood, no worries, it's not the end, right? And your upcoming years could be the best ones. You should be willing to put in the effort to make them the best ones. You would think you did not got the love you deserve in childhood. Okay, you have yourself to love yourself. Self love is the most great thing you can practice. Okay, you don't need anybody to understand you, to fill in the void. You need to feel fulfilled within. And yeah.